Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. I am Miss Safia and today's topic is Islamic view about the origin of life. The Holy Quran throws adequate light on the origin of life. The most important fact in the teaching of Quran is that Allah is the ultimate creator of everything. Living and non-living things are the both created by Him. There are several verses of Quran in this regard. A few are quoted below. Allah says in Surah Al-Inam, ayah number 102, He is the creator of the heaven and the earth. Means वही आसमानों और ज़मीन का पैदा करने वाला है. In another surah, Allah says, Surah Al-Inam, ayah number 103, that is Allah your Lord. There is no God but Him, the creator of all things, therefore serve Him. He is the guardian of all things. Means ये है अल्लाह तुम्हारा रब, इसके सिवा किसी की बंदगी नहीं, वही हर चीज़ का खालिक है, तो इसकी इबादत इख्तियार करो, वह हर चीज़ का निगरान है. The preceding verse explains that the all living beings, including insects, snakes, monkeys, and grazers and humans, were created ultimately from water. It states that in Surah Al-Mu'minun, ayah number 12, He did create man from the essence of clay. Means और बेशक आदमी को हमने मिट्टी से बनाया. In another surah, Surah Al-Sajda, ayah number 7 to 9, Allah says, He Allah who create all things in the best way. He first create man from clay, then breathe his offspring from a drop of plenary fluid. He then molded him and breathed into him and his spirit. He gave your eye and ear and heart, yet you are seldom thankful. Means वो अल्लाह जिसने हर चीज़ को बहुत अच्छी तरह बनाया और इंसान को पैदा किया और इंसान की पैदाइश मिट्टी से फरमाई, फिर इसकी नस्ल हकीर पानी से पैदा की, फिर इसको दुरुस्त किया, फिर इसमें अपनी रूह फूंकी और तुम्हारे कान, आंखें और दिल बनाए, मगर तुम बहुत कम शुक्र करते हो. In another surah, Surah Al-Mu'minun, ayah number 14, Allah says, Then fashioned we the drop a cloud, then fashioned we the cloud a little lamb, then fashioned we the little lamb bones, then clotted the bones with flesh. Means फिर नुतफ़े का लोथड़ा बनाया, फिर लोटले की बोटी बनाई और फिर बोटी की हड्डियाँ बनाई, फिर हड्डियों पर गोश्त चढ़ाया. इन सूरह अल-दहर आया नंबर 1, Allah says, Had there come upon man any period of time in which he was a thing unremembered. Means बेशक इंसान पर ज़माने में एक ऐसा वक्त आ चुका है कि कोई चीज़ काबिल ज़िक्र न था. होम टास्क. Write an essay on origin of life. Write the translation of any one Quranic verse about the origin of life. Thank you.